What kind of records do you play for your own pleasure, as it were?
Well, generally I play soul music, jazz music, and I love merengue music. Generally listening to jazz. I learned from jazz, because jazz is free music. It's not something that compels. Jazz is so free that you're playing jazz and anywhere your finger go, you follow your finger and then a sound is formed and creates. So I love all jazz musicians. Yeah. I think it's jazz music as the original.